Yo, what it doing, my young paper chasers, man? It's your boy OC3. I'm back again with another YouTube video. And today, man, we got another gun range vlog. We chilling. It's about 12 o'clock right now. Time. Yeah, it's 12:06. About to go to the gun range. I appreciate y'all for helping me reach my goal of 100 subscribers. Now we gotta set a new goal, man. Let's get to 500. If you fucking with the videos, drop a like, go ahead, comment, share it to your friends, subscribe, all that good shit, man. But we about to go get AJ. We also about to go get Vaughn. We got more content on the way, man. Y'all gotta comment. Let me know what y'all fucking with. Let me know how y'all fucking with the videos that I've been dropping. Let me know what y'all want, more reactions, more gaming videos, more IRL videos, whatever. But yeah, we on the grind, man. We trying to stay consistent with this shit. Build a community, man. But shit, it's around 12:06. We gotta go on the early side. AJ got school today. He in trade school, so yeah, we trying to get this out the way on the early side. He didn't end up being able to get his gun in the last video because they ended up it was too late. They ended up closing. I guess they can't make gun sales or allow people to get into the range within an hour of before they close or something like that. But yeah, without further ado, man, we about to jump into this video. I pick the camera back up as soon as I go get Vaughn. I'm about to pick Vaughn up first, then I'm gonna go get AJ, then we on the way to the range. But go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back. So who told you to get in my car with a sandwich, my nigga?
This shit about to smack.
You hungry ass nigga? What's up, my nigga?
Oh, my nigga.
Man, who car is that, bro?
No, it's... He went out of town.
Man, shit. Yeah, we just picked up Vaughn. We about to go get AJ, bro. I'll pick the camera back up when we get AJ. Man, look at this hoe ass nigga, chat.
That nigga right there rich too.
Man, that nigga's a hoe.
Nigga, oh!
Man, this nigga a hoe, bro.
It's a real killer in this bitch now. Y'all know what it is, man.
No, I'm top hot. I'm top hot. What you talking
Bro, you got the worst aim in the car, chat.
I'm top hat, bro.
You literally have the
straight dots.
You literally have the worst aim in the car right now. AJ, AJ, does he not have the worst aim in the car?
Hell yeah, he do.
No.
This nigga Vaughn got the worst aim in the car, talking about he the top hat, bro.
Bro.
Man, yeah, we just scooped AJ, we just scooped Vaughn. We on the way to the range. I'll pick the camera back up when we get to the range. Yeah, man, we just got to the fucking range. We out here. That nigga Vaughn lame as hell. That nigga AJ lame as hell. But yeah, we just got to the range, bro. We was chilling, great vibes in the car. About to shoot some guns. AJ finally about to get his shit. About to shoot some pistols, huh? Yeah, they gonna deny your ass. Yeah, they gonna be like, you can't get that motherfucker. Yeah, you gonna have to go to a different stuff. Man, we finally made it into the... As y'all can see, we got both twin MP5s here. We got twin MP5s. We got old head AJ over here. He ended up getting...
He
4 or 5 FN. Glock 17 here. And then he got chopped. As usual, that's the target he's gonna be shooting on down there.
Before we leave, I might have to shoot that bitch once. Before we leave, I might have to shoot that bitch once.
I'm shooting that hoe. I'm gonna shoot it, man. I don't even give a fuck. They don't have to kick me out that bitch. I ain't gonna...
Show these niggas something, bro. Let me show these niggas something.
I ain't gonna lie, they just gonna have to fucking kick me out this way. Yeah, we got Vaughn shooting an MP5 on the first round, bro. Oh, bro. missing. He ain't even hit. He up around that hoe. Clean up. Yeah. Yeah, bro. That's just respect.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm in the white for sure.
Huh?
I was in the white for sure. Phone in the white. Phone in the white. Get a little bit more out.
Clean it up a little bit, bro. Gotta clean it up a little bit, but it ain't ass.
Like red, like
Yeah, you,
You know, so talk to them. They ain't signed it to your link because people have been walking away with it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why. You like it, I would.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Yeah.
I had that purple one that Hero gave me. It worked
See?
amazing.
I had mine for 6 years.
I ain't missed.
Yeah,
Not
give me.
one.
Give me that.
I ain't missed, not one.
I'll show you.
Close my stock for me.
40, huh?
Close my stock for me. Or actually, you can leave it out. I don't mind that. Come on, man. Only have four. Only have four.
It was worse than you. I ain't gonna
Only have four out of
Why
there.
they come back?
Cause probably press
You shot
stop.
better than him?
Huh? No.
No.
You talking about no.
I'm about to see right now. No, bro. He got way more misses than me, bro. All out of the red, gang.
No.
Only had these four. I swear. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, you got all of those, gang. Yeah, talk about I ain't got no aim. Talk about I ain't got no aim. That's you.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Okay.
That's you. I
Hey, fact, I did shoot
Huh?
this time around.
Oh, man.
This time around, I worse than this nigga.
You got that aim, AJ.
Huh? I ain't gonna lie, I can't finish low. 45, that bitch is too far. What about that?
Yeah, wait.
There you go.
Oh, I forgot.
Smack it. Chill. Just like this. Chill. Uppercut. Chill.
It's a hammer. Hammer.
Then this thing, this be cocky though.
I'm
gonna shoot this Glock first before I gotta warm up into that 40.
Huh?
Gotta warm up to that 45.
That Glock feels so
40.
good though.
that. Oh, dropping ammo.
Right. Yeah, look, I shot a couple. Like,
where's AR
that was
at?
nice.
I was about to say, yeah. Load up your AR, L.
I ain't bring my AR.
You did?
I ain't
like
spending
it,
no
AR,
money for that shit, bro. $20. I mean, yeah, a
Bucks.
bullet. It's $1 a bullet. I ain't got that right now.
No
I
cap.
like for real. I don't
No
want to
cut.
shoot 20 bullets. Hey y'all, get me monetized on YouTube so I can come in here and shoot my AR as much as I want.
I'm trying to figure out what you want.
Look, I don't feel like loading.
This the nigga who was just talking shit.
I've never seen it.
I'm trying to get loose and women down the iron side.
Hey, hit the 30.
Wow, man.
The 30. My ass need a sight. Y'all niggas scared.
Scary.
Y'all niggas gonna get out the range. Y'all niggas scared. Y'all ain't trying to shoot that. Y'all ain't trying to shoot that 45. Me? My aim might be that's right now, but that's why.
What was you saying?
I said my aim might be ass.
Yeah, that shit garbage.
Wow.
This the nigga was just talking shit.
That
And the nigga just hit
Bring it home.
top right, bottom left.
That's literally what I was.
Bottom
That's literally what I was aiming at. I was aiming
Stop the cap.
for the 100 and the other 100, and then in the middle.
I talked to Zim man.
You're supposed to aim at the what the target is. I'm trying to hit the 100 ball.
Go get some more ammo. I'll buy
$5 off me, gang.
That bitch CB.
This might be this the half box. It's full. What's in there?
Nah. I ain't gonna remember.
I got him $5, chat. I got you at $5.
I need 15.
Too bad, my nigga. 15. I'm about to look up and see how much.
Let's go ask him. Ask what. Oh, he
They
not
ain't gonna tell me because they gonna be like, damn, you trying to buy? They gonna get us ass.
Yeah, well,
Them niggas only shooting MP5s over there.
You know, Vaughn with the cam,
Let me
man.
see your
I'm too
aim,
roll.
bro. Let me see your aim.
Why you worried about my aim? You already saw my aim.
I'm just saying.
My
That's what
aim
you
was
ride
fucked
out
up.
with.
My aim was fucked up. I ain't even, you feel me?
Yeah, you gotta get your aim right with
But
your
I'm
aim.
I'm the best shooter out of us three.
Dumb as fuck.
You know that.
You gotta show me something. You just hit 6 in the white gang.
Bruh.
Only hit 4.
I got Snapchat memories of what my like. What
Okay, that's old. That's
back in the day. We
old,
talking about
man.
right
That's
now.
old, man.
now.
All them old videos he talking about. I'm talking about right now today.
Saying right now.
Right now today.
I ain't bet.
AJ loading back.
Man, this shit hard.
What's that? That 40?
Fuck, no.
No, that's that 9.
40 still loaded. 40 loaded. Pop the 40 right now. I'm lightweight scared of this.
He said he lightweight scared, y'all.
What's that? That 40?
Wow.
Oh, that bitch smooth though. I ain't gonna say that.
I wanna see that. Shit. Oh yeah, I'm getting a 40. Fuck. Damn. That bitch side of the face.
I'm aiming for the hut. Oh, I did hit the side.
Nah, you hit the white.
I said exactly. Hold on, I'm about to hit that 50.
Hit that hoe. Nigga, that's the 30. He said the 50.
Hold on.
That is 30. He ain't trying to airball.
No. I'm aiming directly, like through the iron sight, I'm aiming directly at the 50. But you know this.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's so hard because when you doing it with the handguns, what I noticed, you looking straight down the barrel, that shit, gun be pointing. It's just the.
I thought it was gonna be worse though.
That kick pretty cool.
Yeah,
See, I pack 45.
I ain't gonna fake. That bitch probably do got some kick to it though.
Let's go.
That bitch got a little kick to it, so,
None
but
of these bitches got safeties?
this one too.
Safeties. They use the trigger, and the trigger ain't safe. It's the
Oh, I
trigger.
see it.
That little,
So like, if you don't push that part down, you don't go nowhere. You see, I'm pulling the trigger. As long as you push that shit down in the middle, it ain't going nowhere.
that just feels one in that bitch.
I was gonna hit something.
Straight. Man, that nigga was gonna hit.
I'm mad as fuck. Niggas is taking a mag load, and I'm gonna buy one myself,
I
man.
ain't gonna lie, I got one MP5 still. You know I ain't shoot that last one. It's always one up in that bitch.
I know my.
No, your aim weak, bro.
It's better than yours. So what the fuck is yours?
Pistol, now. I ain't never shot it. That's why my aim bad right now.
I'll
but-
get on the pistol.
With
And
my, oh, no.
Yeah. Talk about I wasn't.
Yeah, so hold on.
Huh?
I don't see this. Let me see this. All those that he's covering up there, like all these, it's all like.
The shit ain't jammed. Miracle. It's a miracle. It's a miracle it ain't jammed.
Yeah, he finally fixed it. He finally fixed it.
Hey, he went and got a new mag overnight chat. He went and got a new mag overnight chat.
Hey, have a nice one. Thank you.
You have a good
again.
one.
Hey,
I'm happy as fuck, nigga. My shit ain't.
he happy as fuck with this shit. Hey, guess what? You don't get this shit out.
What?
You don't get this shit out with that motherfucker. Hey, that's terrible gun safety chat. You ain't let me move out the way yet. Damn, it won't focus right down there.
Yeah, focus on the target. Yeah. I was just getting
I-
yeah.
With the AR, I'm cool at aiming. I got better with the pistols though. My shit.
Picture of it.
Yeah,
How that bitch look.
That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Whoa, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Oh, he's scared of it. He's scared. Check.
I'm gonna be Johnny Dang when it comes to this shit.
Hey, that bitch hard to grip.
Hold up, pause.
Yeah. Oh, great. It was decent. You was hitting like the 50 and a little over to the right of 50. That's where you was at for the most part of it though.
Yeah,
It looked decent though.
let that bitch go for us. That bitch cool. That bitch
That
just.
bitch money, ain't it?
That bitch.
That Glock money, man.
I don't.
That bitch is so.
I don't know where the
How he stop jumping
You
so
need
much?
to deagle your fat head.
How can this bitch stop jumping so much?
Huh?
This bitch just go.
You gotta control it. You just gotta control
It's
it.
all the gunpowder in that low ass bullet.
Ain't go. Oh shit, I'm on the camera all quick. Okay.
I don't want to
Badass shit.
Nines is basically 22.
Yeah, them bitches
In
sweet.
my
I
eyes,
ain't gonna
yeah,
fake
them
it.
bitches
They
nice.
got that for sure got a little quick, but they sweet though.
About that little ass 22.
Hell yeah.
They is the most deadly round,
No, bro, that little ass
and
bullet.
that's the reason, right? there, 'cause they bounce around.
Dog your shit inside.
22.
Oh, I thought that nigga
I'm
about
going
to
to
shoot the pole.
shoot this bitch again. I'm done.
Hey, bruh. Nigga. Bruh, is that a shell in my shoe game?
Yeah, some shell in your shoe.
I'm
Hey, who's the shell on?
Seal it.
Damn, yeah, I need one of them. The mag
Extended.
extenders.
You can definitely get one too. What that bitch feel like?
This me.
That's you?
Day 21. When I turned 21 March 20th, 2025, that's me. No, I'm getting a 30 though. I gotta see what the 30 here for. I want a 40.
I don't think they got no 30 up there.
I know they ain't got no 30.
It's only 2 in here. I just wanted to see what it is.
That bitch is right down the middle.
I like it.
And that bitch wasn't
Now
jumping.
you fuck with it? Huh?
Oh, bro, I like it. You
It's
definitely
the same. It's
Oh,
just
bro.
smaller.
You just definitely can see this bitch.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. You just need a mag extender, one of them pink for your pink.
I ain't gonna lie,
That's why I said this motherfucker had the same barrel length with this grip. Oh my God, it's OD. All right, y'all, man. We just left out of the range, bro. I don't even know if how clear you is on the camera. It might be too zoomed in on your ass.
Shit, I know they can see this bitch.
That nigga got a Glocky. Shit.
What the? That came out my head?
This nigga just.
That came out my head?
A whole 22 bullet came on this nigga.
Look at this big gang.
Oh, shit.
I been so glee.
Out
Oh
your
my
head?
god. Yeah, my hair, bro. I took my fucking earbuds off. So much
Now-
oil on that bitch already.
Now he got the Glocky. Nigga, I just got a sword, nigga.
What y'all wanna do?
Got a sword.
shit.
Nigga just cut himself with my shit.
I'm like, what you wanna do?
Yeah, I got a sword. Hey,
You just
Take the
put.
mag out. You
Take
gotta
the mag out.
The mag in it, yeah.
I don't know why
Gotta
the
teach
fuck
me
I
how to
just
use
bought a
this bitch.
sword.
Now you can cock it back.
But the
Shoot it-
bitch was
shoot it,
$8.
Or just cock it one
Just
more.
cock it back. Or the button
The
on
sword
it.
was $8, y'all. So
This bitch
that's
so
why I bought
glee.
it. I don't know why the fuck I bought it, but it's
I should
a
got a mag loader.
it's a nice it's a
For real?
nice. Huh?
I should have got a mag. Oh, what's one right here? This
And you got an extra mag?
Yeah, it come with 2 mags.
3?
Yeah, I got 3.
Oh, you bought the extra. Oh, wait.
217 mags. I got
This one, and you got that 30. So you got
What's
4
that?
mags.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, you got 4 mags. Why do you got 4 mags in this bitch? Oh my god, AJ, that's all you need. Them
He
bitches
got
in the
the
mags you go in your
47 chat.
pockets.
He got the 47.
That's how niggas be keeping them
It's
bitches
so
on
clean.
them.
Hella mags.
Just
yeah.
keep mags on them. Niggas be keeping mags on them. What the fuck? Oh yeah, take that bitch out the box so I
You
can show
know
Cam. Show Cam. Hand that bitch to him real quick so I can throw this bitch on there real quick.
Alright, y'all, man. If you stayed to this point in the vlog, man, I appreciate you for watching, bro. This will conclude the gun range vlog. We is at 100 subs. We finally hit the goal of 100 subs. The new goal is 500 subs. Also, we still streaming every day. Today will be day 30 of streaming every day for the next 100 days on Twitch. Go ahead, go to their Twitch. It's linked on my channel. I can go there, drop a follow there. Also, my TikTok. We streaming on TikTok too. Y'all can go to my TikTok and follow over there too. But without further ado, man, it's OC3 up out of here.